Mark here, the Expert Corner Group. Let me just one more. Here's another diamond stone. This is on plastic, and it's really flexible. I want to talk about stropping compounds. Stropping compounds in general are diamonds or some abrasive. They don't all have to be diamonds, but when you buy diamond stropping compounds, they can be in a paste. The Wicked Edge paste came in syringes, and it's like a gritty toothpaste. And they can come in a liquid that looks almost like a little spritz bottle like this with liquid on top and some sediment in the bottom, and you shake it up and you can spray it onto your leather strops. You can spray them onto your leather strops. Or they come in emulsions, which are like the creams and hand lotions and stuff. And it's suspended. The better ones are better chemistry is used to have those diamonds that want to settle out, to give them, when you shake it up, to suspend them so that when you apply it, you get a good mix of the abrasive across the leather. All of these qualities are why we pay more money for better products. And usually those better products are at the known dealers. And the brand names, their consistency, their quality control, which is why when I buy these things, I buy them from reputable dealers that have name brand stuff. Now, the problem, the paradox, I love that word, the inconsistency is that the different guys, the different companies, the different groups that are making these, their diamonds may be different diamonds than another places, and the emulsions and that stuff. So they're different. And talking back where we were, these are soft substrates. The abrasive is applied on it, they roll. So you can't necessarily compare one with the other, because when we're working and we're looking, it becomes subjective, it becomes judgmental. So when someone says what's the best, it's very subjective. And again, that feeds into the artistry of sharpening, getting the results you want. For example, I'm just going to throw this out there so you understand where I'm coming from. You see this knife? This is a Tohiro. I don't remember the line in the Tohiro, but you see the knife grind, and this is the shinogi, and you see the bevel, and then this is the edge grind, and then there is even a bevel. If you look, they're all a different shine. If you were to sharpen the shinogi, sharpen the edge grind, sharpen the bevel, all with the same stones in the same progression, that knife would end up looking like this. So there's a place, an intentional place, to mix and match the different abrasives with their different qualities to give the different results, some aesthetic, some practical. This is more aesthetic, but it's understandable. This is an inexpensive knife, but when you get one of these that's $500 or $1,500 or $2,000, and if the chef wants a different finish on it, then we give them a different finish, and that's part of the quality of the stones. I'm trying to figure them out. Before I go and profess that I know the quality of the stone that's going to get the difference of the shine. I don't, but I know that different stones have different abrasives that have different qualities to be able to do that to a knife. Now let's talk about the stropping compound, the diamonds that are in them. I want to talk specifically mono diamonds versus poly diamonds, and which is better. And they're different. Probably for most of us, we want to have the poly diamond for the polish. But let me try to explain the difference before I run out of time. The mono diamonds are less faceted. They're more like an emerald cut diamond. You know, the square ones, or a ruby cut diamond has a different cut than like a wedding ring diamond that's more round with multi-facets. The poly diamond, look at it like a tennis ball with a lot of points on it. The points are the diamond facets. That diamond is the same size, the same carats as the mono diamond that is less faceted. So each facet is bigger, but it's the same carats. So the monos, when they plate them, affix them, resin matrix them, the way they sit and they orient in the matrix, because of the shape, the way they cut is a more of a cutter of a diamond as compared to the same carat, more faceted, that is a cutter, but that one with more facets tends to polish more. So sometimes you may want in that stropping compound, that mono, for the cutting, and sometimes you may want more of the polishing. And that all goes when you start talking about things like that knife. So the quality is different. But just so you can understand the difference, when one person wants to say which is better, they're different. And one may be better one place, and one may be better the other place. Besides the products that you're buying, you may buy a better product from a known maker. So that's the point. When you buy from reputable sources and you're getting that bottle that you're going to shake up and try to apply to your strop, you're counting on the quality control. So that's why I stick with Gritomatic and Gen D and Sharpening Supply and Chef Knives to Go in places like that for those things. Now, I still buy those same products from Amazon, but I buy the brand name products from Amazon. I buy from Gritomatic on Amazon. I buy from Genda on Amazon. I buy from Wicked Edge on Amazon because of the shipping deal with the Prime. Whetstones, God, we could go on forever. Let me see if I said enough to get the understanding between the hard stones that are fixed and the soft stones, and to try to explain the difference between one diamond stone and the other. A lot of it is in the quality control, but most of it is subjective. And because of the quality control, the subjectiveness, when you buy that crap, you get good results once or twice, but it fades away. And then the next time you get it, you may not see that because it may come from a different factory overseas. You know, I've taken 2 different boxes of the same exact product in sharpening stuff from Amazon and opened them both up, and they were different. So apparently they came from different little factories in that country. So the consistency is not there, like buying something from Wicked Edge or buying something from agenda are buying something from Gritomatic. So that's why I stay with brand names. I'm going to stop it here. I think I might have covered it well enough for an overview. Thanks.